What if you could turn $1,000 into $10,000? It might sound impossible, but with the right strategies and enough time, it's realistic. Today, I'll show you simple ways to grow $1,000 into $10,000. Welcome to Wealth Made Simple. Here we turn investing and money into clear, step-by-step guides. Let's look at the strategies. The first way is compounding through index funds. The S&P 500 has averaged around 8 to 10% returns annually. If you let $1,000 grow over years with reinvested dividends, it can multiply into much more. The second way is dividend reinvesting. When your stocks pay dividends, use that cash to buy more shares. This snowball effect speeds up growth over time. The third way is side hustle income invested smartly. If you earn a few $100s from a side gig and reinvest it consistently, your total investment grows faster. The fourth way is investing in yourself. Skills and education that increase your income give you more money to invest, which accelerates the path from $1,000 to $10,000. The fifth way is patience. Markets reward long-term investors. If you avoid selling early and let time do the work, your money can multiply far beyond your original $1,000. So here's the recap: compounding, dividend reinvesting, side hustle income, investing in yourself, and patience. Together, these can realistically turn $1,000 into $10,000. Which one would you start with first? Comment below and let me know. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who wants to grow their money.